Hi everybody, so today I'm going to be showing you how I create these ombre nails. I'm going to be showing you a light color ombre and a dark color ombre. Um, Here you can see me going in with this yellow acrylic. I apply that about 3/4 of the nail down, and then I quickly go in with this covered pink to create the ombre. The first bead I usually apply on top of the yellow, and then I brush that down the nail, and then my second bead I apply close to the cuticle area, and that brush that down the nail, um, very gently and softly, cleaning the sides of the nails, and the cuticle area as well. You'll also see me wiping the sides of the nail, um, just because I like to keep the shape of the nail. So you'll see me doing that throughout the video, and I tend to do that with all my nails just because I like to keep that shape. Now there's a third bead of covered pink going in, and that is just so I can create that ombre look and try to erase that yellow line um, that you can somewhat see when you put the yellow down. You'll see me going in with this clear acrylic. Now the clear acrylic I use to encapsulate the nail, also to create the shape of the nail and to give the nail any thickness that I'm going to need. I also create the arch of the nail with this acrylic, with the clear acrylic, not the colored acrylics. So yeah, you'll see me going in, and you'll see me going in with a couple beads just because I'm looking to see where I need acrylic and where I need to shape my nail. Now you'll see me going in with this blue. The darker acrylics are always harder to work with. So you'll see me putting in the first bead and brushing that down the nail. As you can see, I kind of almost want to say that I use the colored acrylics and I apply them more like if they were nail polishes, if you get what I mean. I don't really use them as, I don't apply them like if I was to apply a clear acrylic. You'll see me going with the covered pink. Again, apply a first bead, brush it down, apply the second bead and brush that down. Again, taking care of your sidewalls, sides of the nails, and the cuticle area as well. So once I'm done doing that, I'm going to go in with my acrylic, with a clear acrylic. And that's what I'm doing right now. I'm going in with the clear, and now I am looking at my nail and trying to see where it is that I need to apply acrylic. This is a finished product after the acrylic application. I'm going to start filing. I'm going in the side walls, and because I kept cleaning the sides of the nails, I don't have much redefining to do. So I just kind of go in and just do a little filing, just redefining that nail, but there's not much to do here, to be honest. So if you clean the sides of your nails while you're applying your acrylic, then you won't have that much filing to do. So once I am done redefining that nail, I'm going to go in with my electric file, and this is where I'm going to clean the cuticle area, just in case there's any acrylic touching the skin. I can make sure that that is all nice and clean. Working on the arch, redefining the shape again. But as you can see, there's not many bumps or lumps. At least on that one there wasn't that many. On this one I can see a couple bumps of acrylic there, but nothing that the nail file can't take care of. So yeah, again, cleaning the cuticle area, going down the nail, trying to get rid of any lumps or bumps, making the nail nice and smooth, redefining the shape of the nail, cleaning the sidewalls, the cuticle area, refining that arch. And then once I am done with the filing, I'm just going to go ahead and clean off the nail with a little wipe and alcohol. So once that is done, I'm going to go in with my top coat just to finish off the nail. And then once you're at this point, you can definitely add any type of design that you would like. Any crystals, any foils, anything like that, you can actually add it at this point. And I'm gonna go ahead and cure for 30 seconds, and that's the finished product, and that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.